The Universe cards. Number 24. Quasar. Keyword: success. Interpretation: quasars among the brightest objects in the universe. They shine with an incredible power and intensity. On a human scale, this ability to shine and to be visible is what allows us to be successful in our lives. The Quasar card indicates public recognition and success with regard to your inquiry. This is more than a personal feeling of satisfaction and completion. It indicates a public and visible achievement. The Quasar card may signify formal recognition, such as gaining a qualification or winning an award or prize. It takes courage to stand up and be visible, to go public with your project, your beliefs or your creations. And the Quasar card indicates that you are being rewarded for this courage. You have shone as brightly as you possibly could, and others have seen and benefited from what you have done. Enjoy this time while it lasts, for the success indicated by the Quasar card, number 24, can be transitory. It is a time of celebration, a peak of attainment to be relished to the full, but remember that this too will pass. Make the most of your success, but keep your feet on the ground. Relish this time of achievement, and remember that the confidence that it gives you will serve you well in the future.